So we are preparing fungal plates. So we add a chloramphenicol capsule to prevent bacterial growth, since we want to grow fungal with this fungal agar, potato dextrose agar. After adding the chloramphenicol, you agitate gently without forming bubbles. Then you aseptically pour your plate, that is in a sterile environment, as in this laminar flow, and then using flame to sterilize the environment further. Then you bring your plate, you pour your plate aseptically. And you flame again and close. You cover the plate and make sure that it goes round the plate. You open from one side and you pour your plate aseptically. In presence of flame and a sterile environment to prevent erosion of contaminants. And once again, you flame, then you pour your plate close to the flame, then you cover it and gently agitate to prevent, to be sure that the plate is well covered. Thank you.